All right, folks, this is Frank Diamonds to Market with Ease, and I want to welcome you back. Just to recap, yesterday, well, 2 days ago, we talked about market research. Okay, and that's a very important topic because we want to make sure that you're in the right market that has some fish in it, obviously. And then we talked about the next yesterday we talked about product selection, getting a product out there to get some tests done to make sure that people are buying it. You know it's a hot product. You know that already people are buying it. Okay, so you know the market, you know the product. Now I'm going to talk to you about getting a website. Now a lot of people may be thinking, okay, if I want to if I have a website already, I went to ClickBank and I got this website. You don't want to do that. Okay, you want to send them to what's called a squeeze page, and you got to do all this FTPing and uploading and downloading and all this stuff, right? All the stuff that you don't like to do, all the technical stuff that kind of freaks you people out, right? um and you don't need to be freaked out about that, okay? So all you need to do is head on over to blinkweb.com. I'll send you a link of Blinkweb down below, and it's very, very simple. It's a free way to actually get a website, to actually get a lead capture page, so you don't have to do all this uploading and downloading stuff. Okay, they kind of do it for you, and it's free. So to sign up here is real simple. To just put an account right here. Put in your username, your password, and your email. Boom, you're all set up. You're ready to start building. That's as simple as that. I've already got an account with them, you know, and so I'm just gonna demo how easy it is to use this puppy, um, so that you can start using it for your own business. Okay. So all right. So we're in. This is the way Blink Web looks like. Okay. So now all you really need to do, guys, is just click on this thing here. It says create a new website, right? And you want the sales letters style website. Okay, so that's the default. And then once you do that, you'll say you can take this for weight loss made easy, ultimate weight loss or something like that, right? Because let's stick with that. Um, let's stick with that topic. That's been our case study, if you will, during this training session. So once you do that, it's going to actually go in and create some stuff for you, right? So it's weight loss. Um, Now, what you want to do here is you want to start doing some stuff, some text editing, because it's really, really simple to do this, guys. All you got to do is take this little widget here, drag it over to your area. Actually, no, you don't even need that. I'm sorry. I personally do not use this. I just train um, people, but I found out in one of my sessions a real cool way that you can kill two with one stone. Just take this title and paragraph widget, drag it over, and it has the best of both worlds. So here you can put in your headline, right? So your headline could be something like the um, need no, I'm sorry, discover how to lose 23 pounds in the next 4 weeks, or something like that. Something that your product is gonna promise. Okay, and then here you're gonna say let's see, you're gonna say that's why I like to use this one, because it gives you everything right there. You want to say free report reveals : and then you want to this is not going to be a fancy thing. So you want to put like an asterisk for a bullet, and you say benefit one. This is just a benefit. Let's see, number one. Sorry for my poor typing skills here, right? You Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Two. You want to fill this with at least 5 benefits. Now, again, there's no direct science to this. This is just something that I do. I like to give at least 5 benefits. Every product out there have at least 5 benefits. Okay, now you want to make this look pretty, right? So obviously you want to do some copywriting, some digging in your niche to know what calls people's attention, exactly what the main benefit of your of your product needs to be here, and it's got to be some kind of snazzy code here. So you want to center this. You want to make it a big font, right? And you want to change the text color, the color of the font to red. I like red. And you want to make it bold. Okay. Same thing here. You want to make this a little bigger. Probably make it like 24. This can stay as I'll make this a little bigger as well. Probably make it 16. Okay, so we're good to go, right? So then you've got the benefit here. Now, just let me bold this a little bit. Let me talk to you about free report. You have to give away something for free. We want to drive people to a data capture page, like I said. A lot of people get hung up on the technical stuff because they don't know FTP and all this stuff, like I said earlier. So you want to drive them to a data capture page. And this is the website you're gonna do. And in order for someone to give you something like their email address, that's what you want, just their email address, you have to give something in exchange. So give away something for free. I say free report. You can say free video reveals. Oops, spelled this wrong. Sorry about this, guys. You can say free video reviews. It doesn't mean whatever. You can say audio interview with top guru reveals. It doesn't matter what you want to give away, but give away something of value that's going to basically force them, if you will, to give you their email address, because that's what you're looking for. So over here, what you want to do is you want to type something like enter your email address below for instant access to this amazing free report. All right. And you may want to center this. I'm not sure if this is actually going to work. Yeah, see, it centers everything, and that's not too bad. It doesn't matter if it centers everything, because in the end of the day, it's just a capture page. Now, the way you want to bring over your form, you have to work with, and I'll give you a link to it. You have to work with some sort of an autoresponder. Whatever autoresponder you work with, they're going to give you some form code. You just got to work with the autoresponder you're there. They're going to give you some form code to so you can collect leads, right? So what you're going to do, and if you don't have one, again, I can actually recommend one that I have. So you want to go over to the advanced thing, and you want to drag over this widget here. It's called custom HTML, because what you're going to do is on this you're going to cut and paste. Now, for the sake of this video, I've already got a form here that I want to use just for this demo. This form goes to nowhere, actually. So all you got to do is cut and paste it right here. Oops, sorry about that. So you paste that form code right there. You say you want to center it, right? So it's centered. And that's really it, guys. I mean, that's now you're done. You're basically done. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay. So if you want to see what it's going to look, what the file will look like, you can just click over here. And here's where it gets interesting. If you're just testing this stuff, you can pick option one, which is get a subdomain for your website. So it's free. Or you can get a domain for your own website. That's not free. There's a cost involved. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm totally sorry. You can get your own website here, and get get this working here. But you have to buy the domain, obviously. Okay. But for testing purposes, what you can do is mask it and just get a subdomain, right? So you can just drive traffic to the subdomain and then just name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name this weight loss demo, right? And what it does is it actually checks to see if there's anything else. See, it's available, so I'm good. So you just click on next. And okay, good. So now an email was sent to me as to they're going to have to generate the subdomain, and it takes a little while for you to do that. They're going to give you a verification code or whatever. But in a nutshell, you've got a data capture page right here, folks. This is it. This is your data capture page. It's going to look just like this. It's got to have a headline. You're going to have, free report reveals or free video reveals. You're going to list some benefits like this. You're going to have a call to action and a form. I don't believe it's going to look something like this without this edit thing, with just an email and send me my report. And it has your little respect privacy thing on it. Once you do that, you're going to collect the lead. Once you collect the lead, you can then send them some compelling stuff about your products, and then you can start marketing to them one of the three or all three products at any time you want, once you collect this process. So this is the most important part, I believe, in terms of getting of where you're going to send your quality traffic. If you just send them straight to the ClickBank product, you're going to lose quite a bit of money. Doing that. So I suggest you follow this model. So now, tomorrow, what we're going to talk about, and this is a very important thing, is getting that quality traffic. How do you get that quality traffic? So once you collect their names, and they're in your email autoresponder, you're going to where you're going to collect the names from, right? Where you're going to collect their names from, and where you're going to drive this web page to, where you're looking at right now, where you're going to drive them to. From, excuse me. So you're going to drive them from what site? And I'm going to show you exactly how to pick out who's looking for your product already, what kind of person they are. I can tell you their sex, I can tell you their age range, whatever it is. I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. As I spoke to you about it a little bit on the free report, but this is like an extensive version. So anyway, with that, guys, I'm going to end the video now. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. Anyway, till tomorrow. Actually, you know what? Before I hang up, before we let you go, I forgot this, guys. Why don't you? I want you to do your homework. So your homework is go to Blink Web. I have a link for it right down there below, and create your data capture page. Create this and have that working, so that way you'll be ready for tomorrow when I tell you exactly where to get the traffic. With that, guys, I wish you guys nothing but the best. This has been Frank Deming, Mr. Market with Ease. Take care and bye for now.